Are you looking to sell your home as quick as possible and for top dollar? In today's competitive market, preparation can make all the difference. You better get your pen and paper ready because I'm here to give you some tips to help you get ready to sell your home. I'll also be sharing a special resource that you do not want to miss. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is rebecca.arscott and I am your trusted real estate agent here in beautiful New Mexico, and I am here to help you navigate through the home buying and selling process. No matter what part that you are in this process, I am here to help you get to where you want to get with your real estate goals. Today, we are going to be talking about how to prepare your home to sell on the market and to attract the best offers. First of all, let's talk about why preparing your home is going to be so important. A well-prepared home not only attracts buyers, but it will also help increase your chances of getting higher offers. Making a great first impression is key, and it is not something that you want to overlook. Step one is to declutter. Decluttering is going to make your house appear more spacious and more inviting. Of course, this is going to depend on how much time that you're looking at, but it's really good for you to do a deep cleaning, whether it's your deep spring cleaning or maybe you're going to have to do a winter cleaning. But doing a deep cleaning in your house before you start bringing buyers in to see it, and even before you start having somebody come out to do a photo shoot of your home, you want to make sure that you clean the carpets, you clean the windows, you clean even those hard to reach places. First impressions are everything, and you never know what people can be looking at and what can deter somebody from buying a property and what some things people can overlook. You never want to assume that people aren't going to really be paying attention to those types of details. Some buyers may not see past the surface level, so you want to make sure that your surface level is clean. You also want to make sure that you fix any type of minor issues that you might have going on, like a leaky faucet, you have some squeaky doors. Do a walkthrough of your home and start making a list of all the little things that you see. Just go through each room. Things like that are going to help you, so that way you have a checklist and you're not overwhelmed, because it can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to prepare, and if you're trying to prepare your house in a very short period of time because you're ready to get this on the market and you're ready to sell it right away. If you want it to sell quicker, do everything in your power that you can do to make it as presentable as possible. Another little tip for you, do a fresh coat of paint. A fresh coat of paint can make the world of difference. Honestly, it can take your house looking from drab to fab. This can make a massive difference in the appearance of your home. So it makes your house look bright and airy. If you have a bunch of colored walls, that also is something that we're going to get into next. Everybody has their own personality. Everybody has their own style. But if you want to reach a broader range of people that are going to be interested in buying your home, then you want to make sure that you stick with some neutral colors. Whether you want to repaint it white, maybe you want to repaint it a cream color, but you definitely don't want to have bright blue walls or bright red walls, because that actually can deter buyers from buying your home. A lot of times when buyers go into this process, they can't see past what they see. Not everybody is visually inclined to see its potential. So instead of forcing the buyer to try to see its potential, you want to make sure that you provide them with a clean slate, because it eliminates that barrier. Not everybody is an interior designer. Not everybody can look at a property and be like, this is a dump, but I can turn it into gold. You do have to refresh the paint. It doesn't last forever, and especially with wear and tear, and there's holes in the walls. So that's another thing. You just want it to look as appealing as it can and to a broad range of people, because you're going to have all different kinds of people looking at your home. Next thing that you want to focus on is the exterior. Curb appeal is something that is important to a lot of buyers. People are driving by, they want a house that looks nice. It doesn't have overgrown weeds, or it doesn't have junk in the front front yard, you are certainly not going to attract people who are going to give you the price that you're looking for. So you want to make sure that you clean it up. That's all I'm going to say. Clean it up. Perception is reality, and it's very, very important, again, that you put your best foot forward. Here are some things that you can do when trying to enhance the appearance of your exterior. Mowing the lawn, planting flowers, getting rid of the weeds, power washing your driveway. I mean, those are little things that you can do that can make a world of difference in how it looks on the outside of your house. And I highly recommend that you do this. I've created a checklist that you guys can get. It's free. All you have to do is go to the link in the description, click on it, sign up, and it will be sent to your inbox, and you will have your very own home seller's guide completely free. I just want you guys to have something that you can take with you, so that way you're not overwhelmed in this process when you're trying to sell your home. All right, guys, another thing that you want to consider is staging your home. I love staging. I think that it is just a fantastic way of making sure that your home, it is ready to be presented to buyers. You want to make sure that it's decluttered, it's clean, and it's neutral, but you also want to create an atmosphere where they can actually see themselves in that living room, sitting on that couch. They can see themselves in their bedroom. They can see themselves sitting outside on the balcony, sipping coffee in the mornings. And that is going to give them that visualization that they need to be able to really see themselves in your home. People who have their home staged sell much faster than people who don't have their home staged. There are realtors that you can meet that also do home staging and have that service that's provided. And there's also separate staging companies that you can hire. When you're working with the realtor, they'll be able to lead you in the right direction on who can stage your home. And every home is different. So, a multi-million-dollar luxury home is going to be different than, maybe a smaller home that may not require as much furniture or a different type of furniture. The great thing about staging is that it's going to showcase each room. This is going to remove that barrier of people being able to visualize their life in your home. It's interesting because you would think, well, if I remove everything from the home and there's nothing in there, people are going to be able to see themselves there. But not everybody has the ability to see it that far. Not everybody can imagine where to put the couch. There are some people who love that. That is part of what they love to do, is decorating their home. And there are some people who have no idea even where to start or what it could look like. So giving them just an idea and a feel of what their home could be is something that is going to massively help you when it comes to selling your home. Finally, you guys, you want to add those finishing touches. This goes along with home staging. So if you have somebody who's going to stage your home, they're going to come in and they're going to do all those finishing touches. Going to be adding fresh flowers, and they're going to be styling your bookshelves, and they're going to be making sure that everything is just so that way, when you have a photographer come in, they can get all of those beautiful details of your home. And then also when you have buyers that come in for an open house or a private showing, everything is ready to go and it's alive and it's been well done. Very simple things, again, from adding books on the coffee table and styling the coffee table to styling a beautiful bed in a bedroom. Those are simple things that you can do that can instantly elevate the look of your space, which is what you want. You want that. And it doesn't have to be extravagant. You don't even have to have a lot of furniture, but a well-made bed, good lighting, having all the lights on, having everything ready to go is going to make a world of difference when it comes to preparing your house to sell. We want to make your house look the best that it can to attract the buyers, to attract the best offers, and so that way you can also sell as quickly as possible. I hope you found these tips helpful. I will be doing more videos on this topic in more detail. I'm also going to be having an entire playlist for things all related to interior design. That is a big, big, big passion of mine, and I'm really excited to share my knowledge with you guys. Thank you guys again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.